Hello, this is Travis Butterfield, and I am going to show you how to use a sorting tool so that you can rearrange the display of items that are in what is called a view. So I've talked about views in some of the other training videos that I've shown, but basically views are aggregators that write queries and pull information from the database so you can have a custom display, and usually we create them so that they'll update themselves automatically, which is very handy. So this page is created by a view, and these are reports. They're research reports. And what we want to do with this page is move this Las Vegas sex trafficking case study 2014 after the 2015 ones, because we want it to be in order. I could set it up a different way so that it would sort by date, but oftentimes people want the ability to sort things themselves. So this is the way that you would be able to do that. In order to sort this yourself, or in order to be able to, I have created a tool that you can use. And the way that you'll access this tool is you'll go up to your address bar up at the top, and you'll type /sort and hit return. And this is a convention that I'm using on all the sites that I develop so that it's easy for anybody to sort items. If you type /sort onto a page that you want to be able to sort and something like this doesn't come up, then send me an email and I can set it up for you. So this is just a sorting table. You'll notice that when I hover over these bidirectional arrows, actually I guess they're quad directional, these four-way arrows, the cursor turns into one of them and it says drag to reorder, and it's pretty self-explanatory. You drag it, so I'm going to drag this down to here, and then you'll see that an asterisk has been added, and it tells you that the changes will not be saved until the form is submitted. So we submit the form by clicking save, and then it refreshes the page. And then what we can do is we can go back to the view, or to the previous page, which is generated by a view, and that view is linked to the tool that I created. So now you'll see that the Las Vegas sex trafficking case study 2014 is showing up after the 2015 items, which is what we wanted. The cool thing is I have set this up so that if you drag something around, it will affect not only this page, but since there's two views that use this data, if we go to the STIR home page, these views here that do the same thing will also be updated. However, if you go up here and type /sort after this, it won't work because the sort tool only works from the main page that has been set up. So you'll need to click on these buttons, the view more training materials if you want to do a brochure sort, or the view more STIR research if you want to do a research sort. So just for fun, I'll go to the view more training materials. Oh, another thing that you should be aware of, you'll notice that this says /node and then a number. I can fix this for you, but right now it's going to the node ID number. What we want it to do is So that the URL works is I'm going to click on View, and that'll take us to the URL alias, which is stir training, and then I'll type sort. Because the address of the page, the tool that I created, is this full URL, and so if we put sort on a different URL, it won't work. So I'm going to hit return there. That's going to load this up, and let's say we want to put a training tool for mental health providers as the first item. So we'll do that. And then I'm going to delete that. So we go back to the stir training page, and of course we have to scroll down to see the brochures, and you'll notice the training tool for mental health providers is in the first position. If we want to change it back, we just follow the same process. And as I said, I will fix the URL issue for this page so that you don't have to remember to do that every time. But that's how it works. It's fairly easy and straightforward. Please let me know if you have any questions. Thanks. Bye.